Are you angry at someone? Then this is for you. Being angry is okay and it's normal. It's important to understand that we cannot control other people's action in life, or other people's conduct in life, someone's rules of engagement in life. We can set the standards, we can set our own values, but cannot control others. We have to be responsible and hold ourselves accountable. How do we express our anger? How do we rechannel the direction of our expression? And how do we react in certain situations? If we are angry at someone with their behavior, if we are not in agreement with their action, and if we are not simply happy how they conduct or their work or their attitude towards their colleagues, rechannel, redirect, and focus, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will hold you accountable. How do you actually express your anger? How do you want to take the revenge or not? And how do you want to assess based on any situational analysis in life? Remember, it's easier to be angry, to be negative. Not expressing your anger in the wrong manner is the way to go. Follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who never had any cuss words, any foul language, any bad behavior, even when he was angry at the enemies of our deen. Remember, anger is normal. Expression of anger in the negative way is a no-go.